Hello dear students, in today's session we will learn that how can we create a car racing game in Scratch. So we have to do a little bit of coding here. So first of all we have to set the background. So I am choosing a backdrop. Basically we can just draw a backdrop for this because there is no as such backdrop for the car racing game. Got it. Now what I will do, first of all we can select a sprite here. So for selecting a sprite, what we can do, first of all we have to delete the present sprite. So this is the present sprite and we can delete this. So I'm deleting this, see, like this, and I'm just choosing a sprite, and my sprite for a car racing game would be car only. So first of all I'm choosing a car. Let's see. So there are two cars, let's say convertible 2 I'm choosing. So I'm clicking on it. Now it is present on the stage. Now we are just painting a backdrop here. See, I'm clicking here on the backdrop. Okay, so this is an option of a backdrop. See here, this option is a backdrop for the paint, and this is for choosing a sprite. So we can choose a sprite, we can draw it also, we can upload it also. So just painting a backdrop. So now this was a backdrop option. So let's choose a grass kind of a color first. So let's say like this I'm choosing. So I'm taking a rectangle. See, I'm just drawing a backdrop here like this. Okay, you can change the colors also. For second you need an oval. So what we can do, we can just choose another color here, that is for this. So if you want to draw an oval, see, now I'll just draw an oval here. See, I'm just drawing it. Okay, see, like this I have drawn an oval here. Now second thing, we need another oval also. So I just want to change a backdrop of it. So let's say this one I am taking, just clicking on this oval option and drawing a little oval here also. So this way. So this is what this is a backdrop which I have set. Now I'm just clicking onto this. I'm just going back onto the coding. So see, now this is option for the coding at the top where I'm moving my cursor. So here we can just go, and this is at the top on the extreme left side. So just clicking on the coding option here. Now what we can do is we can just reduce the size of the car because it's too big. So just wait, now its size is already 100. So we can make it 40 by specifying the size here. Okay, so I'm just pressing enter. Now the size of the car is now reduced. Now I'm just placing it here. Now student, the coding portion starts whenever we are working, okay, with the car racing game or any other project if you are building here in Scratch. So there are certain scripts which we have to use for doing the for making any kind of a project here. Okay, so first of all we need certain things, like suppose if I am pressing the space key, my car should move. So I am setting my programming on the space key. For this also we have some options, like in the events block also there are some options available, or control block is there. First of all I am just using a event block, and I just want when the space key is pressed. Okay, so I'm just taking it and I'm dropping it here. This is script I'm choosing. Okay, when space key is pressed, then it should move. So I'll go to the motion block here at the top. So the motion block says, so if this key is pressed, then I should move how much steps? I should move 10 steps. Let's see, I'm just skipping it here. Now see what will happen. I'm just pressing the space key. Okay, see, now it is moving, but it is moving with a zigzag motion. Okay, but it's not good for a car if it is moving in a zigzag pattern. So we will not be able to achieve our target, that is the accuracy. Got it. Now what I can do is, so if space key is pressed, then there is an option in the control. We are saying that we have to repeat it. We have to repeat until. So I'm just using this script here. So repeat until, okay, key space pressed. So we have to go where? Now there is an option in the motion also. In the motion also, just we have to look for this these options, or in the sensing also there are some options. Let's see if the option is available. Yes, in the sensing this script is available, and we can just import this script into the script area. See now here. So if repeat until space key is pressed means, suppose if I am pressing a space key and I am moving it further, so it should move not 10 steps. I am just giving it 4 steps, because if I am giving 10 steps it will move out of the track. Okay, so I'm just giving 4 steps, so that slowly we want to move, and we want to just keep the level little low. Okay, because we are playing it for the first time. So now it should move 4 steps. Got it. Now in the operators also there is an option if not. Okay, so I'm just taking this option of a not, I'm keeping it here. Now I'm just using it. If not key space pressed, then what will happen? It should stop. Okay, so if it is pressed, then it will just stop there. Okay, now see, I'm just pressing a space and I'm just leaving the space. Now it is getting stopped there. Now this is the first thing. Second, also I'm just copying it and I'm just duplicating my first coding. See, I have duplicated here and I am just pasting it here. Now students, see, now if right arrow is pressed, so we are setting the programming on the right arrow. If not, right arrow is pressed. Got it? If it is not pressed, then what will happen? I'm just deleting this portion now, deleting this block, and I'm just going on to the motion. If right key is pressed, then it should turn how much degree? It should turn 15 degrees. So I have specified here that how much it should turn. It should turn 15 degrees. Got it, students? But 15 degrees is very high, so I just want to turn it to 4 degree only. So because at 15 degree it will turn, means it will completely turn, and that will create a problem, and we can just meet with the accident also. Now duplicating this, just keeping it here. Now we are setting it on left arrow key. See, on the left arrow key I am just setting. If not, left arrow key will be pressed, then what will happen? It will turn left only. So I am just deleting it, deleting the block, and I am just choosing turn turn to the left side, and it will turn 4 degrees only. Again I'm just choosing it. Now see, I'm just pressing the space key. Okay, now see, I'm just playing a game. I started playing a game. See, it is moving. Now my car is running. Okay, so I have done the programming on the left arrow key, right arrow key, and the space. Now students, there are some points which should be noted, and these are important points. Now suppose, for example, if any such problem happens, then what we can do is, if there can be problem also. So if you are going out of the track or anything such happens, then what we can do, we can set the coordinates also. So go to, so I'm just setting it like go to. So the present position is, we can set the car also if you are getting out of the track, so that if you are clicking on the flag, it should move to -78. Okay, -78 and a 91. So position of Y will be 91. So if it is going out of the track and we want to bring it to the starting position, so it should move to where? It should move to its, it should move to its starting place. So when the flag is clicked, it should go to -78 and 91. And where should be the direction? So direction also we have to choose. What should be the direction of the car? So direction also we have to set. So it should point in the direction 77. Okay. So this is, I am also setting it here. See, like this, I have set the direction also. Suppose if I'm taking my car somewhere there out of the track and I'm clicking on the flag, see what will happen now. So it is now facing the direction 77 degree, and we have also set the coordinate, that is go to X, -78 and 91. Now students, we can set some other programmings also, like suppose if we want, if it is going out of the track, then it should come, a caption should come there that it is just crashed, and it should just come back to its original position. That thing also we can set. But now this was the starting, so I was telling you like this only. So that is, we will just I'll be just telling you this in the next video of mine. Okay, so that we can just improve the game. So this is basically a game, and this is a car racing game. You can just use this script, and you can also develop this game at your home also. Okay students, thank you students. So students, here I have set the coding for it. Now see, I have added another blocks here. So within the forever block, I have chosen a condition that what I am doing here. See, just watch it. So within the forever block, I have used the if condition. If touching color is black, see what is the border? Border is black. So if the sprite, that is a car, if it is touching the black color, then it should say crash. Okay, and I have also used a stop script there. So within the stop script, what I am saying, other scripts in sprite, which means I just want to, if suppose the car is just hitting the, means the border line, that is a black color, so all other scripts in the sprite should stop at that particular location. Okay, so now see what I am doing. I am just adding this forever block with the green flag only. When green flag is clicked, then all these circumstances are going to happen. Got it, students? Now what I'll do, I'm just playing a game right now. See, I'm just clicking on the red. Now I started playing it. See, Now what it is written? It is written crash, and now it is not moving ahead. Now it is not moving ahead, and all other sprites stop. All other sprites stop working here right now. Got it? Now what I will do? I will just again click on the green flag. It will come to its original location because I have specified the means coordinates, x and y coordinates, and also the direction. It should face 77 degree. Okay. Now see what will happen. Again, if I am just playing, see, I am just playing. It should what it should give a message. It should give a message like crash. Again playing it. Now I am just moving it. See, now it is giving crash. So this way I have made a complete see, now I am just playing it. A complete game is now made. So we can do certain kind of checks also. We can apply it here. So now like this. So this is a complete game. Thank you, students.